first 3 points of the campaign, but how difficult was it out there tonight?
Yeah, obviously really happy. Don't get me wrong, it was very tough. It was a grueling performance. You know, you can only tell by the conditions and how wet I am. We're happy with the 3 points, and yeah, we move forward from there.
Your goal, one of the fastest goals in the history of Welsh football, just 37 seconds, Kieffer. But how important was it that you got off to that strong start tonight?
Yeah, it was massive for us. You know, we knew we had to lay a marker straight away, and you know, when a ball falls for you that nicely, you've got to put it away. So
4 points this week. Your first week working under Craig Bellamy as well. What have you made of it all?
Yeah, it's been great. Yeah, obviously it's been a lot of information for all of us, and yeah, we're just trying to take it all in and, you know, play that style of football. And yeah, it's coming along really well, and yeah, we're really enjoying it.
Kieffer, diolch.